Hello, I'm Manuel Lemos, the creator of the PHP Classes site. I'd like to tell you about a neat feature that was implemented in the site. Well, when you have to solve a programming problem, you often seek for advice from other developers to find the best component that exists to solve that problem. So you can either use that component just like that, or to take ideas on how that component solves your problem. However, sometimes you are in a hurry and cannot find anybody qualified enough to give you advice about existing components. Then you often search for the component on Google or use specific sites like PHP Classes. The problem with that approach is that you often find many components of varied levels of quality, so it is not easy to determine which one of those components is the best for you. So now PHP Classes provides you a better solution for that problem. In 2014, the site launched a package recommendation system. Users go there and describe their problems. Then a qualified developer can come and give advice about which component that exists on the site that could solve your problem. This is great, but sometimes it takes hours or days for another developer to come and give you some advice. On the other hand, many times users have needs that other users already have in the past. So chances are that the advice you need was already given to another user before. So now PHP Classes makes it easy for you to find components advised by other users in the past. It is easy. Just go on PHP Classes search page and enter some relevant keywords related with your problem. The site will show you immediately existing package recommendations related with those keywords. Well, better than telling, let me show you in practice how this works. Just type a few relevant keywords about your problem in the search box. Here, the site may show you some recommendations that contain those keywords. You can go on the recommendation pages and see the discussions that happen between the user looking for advice and the developers that gave the recommendations. Chances are that the original user problem is the same as yours. Hopefully, the recommendations really address well your needs too. In that case, just click on the recommended package links to know the recommended package better. Here you can view the package code, for instance, as well other types of information. As well, download the package in several types of supported formats, or even install your package using the Composer tool directly from the PHP Classes Composer repository. As you may know, PHP Classes site supports the Composer tool, so you can install any package from the PHP Classes site using that excellent tool. If for some reason you did not find a suitable package recommendation, you can post a more detailed recommendation for a package, a request for a new package, using this request new recommendation link. And then you can give all the details about your needs, detail them as much as possible. And after the request is submitted, you need to wait a little bit until another developer can give you a good recommendation. On the other hand, if you are a developer that wants to have greater exposure to your existing packages, you can also go on the site search page and recommend your package to users that seek solutions to the problems that you solve. So let's type some keywords here. You can see all the recommendations in this tab so far. Go on each recommendation page and then use this form to enter the page of your package, and an explanation telling the user why that package that you have solves the user problem. Furthermore, there is a section on which you can find featured package recommendation requests. These are requests for which there was no package available on the site to solve the user problem. If you submit a package that addresses a problem for a featured request, chances are that your package is innovative because there was no other solution before that could address that problem, and you qualify to be nominated to the Innovation Award, thus having the chance to earn more visibility to your package and also earn prizes and public recognition. Well, this is it. I'm sure this feature will save you a lot of time trying many packages that you could find in PHP Classes or similar sites. So far, 400 package recommendation requests were posted on the site, and new requests come every day, so you can find a suitable recommendation related with your needs. Over time, there will be more and more problems for which the site will have a good package recommendations to solve those problems, thus making the site more useful for you and to all developers that want to get more exposure to their packages. Enjoy this feature.